Emma, I'm going to tell you something. I am agree with everything you say.
Wait, Jake. You just made one of the most common English mistakes.
What? I was being nice.
I know, but you can't say I am agree. It should be I agree.
Oh no. How many other mistakes am I making?
That's exactly what we're covering today. Everyone, if you keep making these common English mistakes and want to sound confident and natural, hit that subscribe button right now.
We post new episodes every week to help you talk smart.
And let's dive in and fix these mistakes together. All right, Jake, let's start with your mistake. You said, I am agree.
Yeah. What's wrong with that?
Agree is already a complete verb. You don't need am before it.
So I just say, I agree?
Exactly. I agree with you. Or I don't agree. Simple.
But wait, why do we say I am happy, but not I am agree?
Great question. Happy is an adjective, so you need am. But agree is a verb, so you don't.
Oh, so I am tired is correct because tired is describing me.
Perfect! You've got it. So remember, I agree, I disagree. Do you agree?
I agree that grammar is confusing.
Much better.
Okay, next mistake. My friend always says he don't like pizza.
That's a big one. It should be he doesn't like pizza.
But why? Don't is easier to say.
Because don't is only for I, you, we, and they. For he, she, and it, you use doesn't.
So I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't. But he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't.
Exactly. Let's practice. How would you say it correctly?
He doesn't like pizza, she doesn't understand, it doesn't work.
Perfect. And the opposite?
He does like pizza, she does understand.
Excellent. You nailed it.
I don't make that mistake anymore. Wait, I doesn't. No, I don't.
You had it right the first time. Here's a tricky one. Less versus fewer.
Oh no, this sounds complicated.
Not really. If you can count it, use fewer. If you can't count it, use less.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Fewer people came to the party because you can count people. But less water in the glass, you can't count water.
Wait. So fewer cookies because I can count them,
Yes.
and less sugar because I can't count individual sugars?
Exactly. Sugar is a substance, not individual items.
So at the supermarket, it should be 10 items or fewer, not 10 items or less.
You're absolutely right. Most signs get this wrong.
I'm smarter than a supermarket sign.
Just remember, countable equals fewer, uncountable equals less.
Okay, this one I definitely used to say. I have 25 years old.
So common. But in English, you don't have an age. You are an age.
So it's I am 25 years old?
Exactly. I am 25 or I'm 25 years old.
But why? And some languages you have years.
I know. It's just how English works. You are your age, not have it.
So my sister is 30 years old, not my sister has 30 years old.
Perfect.
What about how old are you, not how many years do you have?
Exactly right. You're getting good at this.
I am so smart now. Wait, that's correct, right?
Yes, that one's correct. Here's another one I hear all the time. Much people.
What's wrong with that?
You can't use much with countable nouns like people. You use many.
So, many people?
Yes, many people came to the concert, but much time or much money because time and money aren't counted individually.
Wait, but I can count money. $1, $2.
Good point. But when we talk about money as a concept, we treat it as uncountable. How much money, not how many money.
English is weird.
It definitely is. So remember, many people, many books, many friends, but much time, much water, much luck.
There are many students, but not much time to teach them all.
Perfect sentence.
I'm getting the hang of this. Okay, I have a confession. I sometimes say I didn't went to the store.
That's such a common mistake. It should be I didn't go.
But why? Went is past tense.
Because didn't already shows it's past, so the main verb stays in its base form.
So didn't does all the work?
Exactly. Didn't carries the past tense, so go stays as go.
So I didn't eat, not I didn't eat.
Perfect.
She didn't call, not she didn't called.
Yes, you've got it.
Practicing. I didn't go to school yesterday. He didn't finish his homework.
Excellent. Remember, didn't plus base verb.
This is actually making sense now.
Here's one that even native speakers mess up. Your versus your.
Oh, I've seen this confusion online.
Your shows possession. Your book, your house. Your is a contraction of you are.
So, you're amazing means you are amazing?
Exactly.
And your dog is cute shows the dog belongs to you?
Perfect. The easiest test is if you can replace it with you are, use your.
Practicing, you're going to love your new car.
Excellent. One is you are, the other shows ownership.
So, you're awesome is wrong?
Yes, because you mean you are awesome. So it's you're awesome.
I always get them confused in texts.
Many people do. Just remember, your equals you are. Your belongs to you.
Got it. You're the best teacher, and your lessons are amazing.
Perfect usage. Last one is informations.
Wait, what's wrong with that?
Information is uncountable in English. It doesn't have a plural form.
You can't say informations?
Nope. Just information, whether it's one piece or many.
So, I have some information, or I have a lot of information.
Exactly. Never informations.
What about advices?
Same thing. Advice is uncountable. I have some advice, not advices.
My whole life has been a lie.
Other examples, furniture, luggage, homework, all uncountable.
So, I have 3 homeworks is wrong.
Yes, say I have 3 homework assignments, or just I have homework.
Thank you for the information and advice.
Perfect. No S needed.
I'm learning so much today.
And there you have it, 8 common English grammar mistakes and how to fix them.
I definitely learned a lot today. I didn't know I was making so many mistakes.
Everyone makes them. The important thing is learning and improving.
So let's recap quickly. I agree, not I am agree. He doesn't, not he don't. Fewer for countable, less for uncountable.
I am 25 years old, not I have 25 years old. Many people, not much people.
I didn't go, not I didn't went. Your means you are. Your shows possession.
And information with no S.
My brain hurts, but in a good way.
So next time you speak English, remember these fixes. They'll make you sound so much more natural and confident.
And if you enjoyed learning with it today, hit that like button.
Share this video with your English learning friends.
And subscribe to Talk Smart Podcast for more fun lessons every week.
We make grammar easy and enjoyable.
Not scary and boring.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Don't just learn English, talk smart.